Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today's going to be a little different. The H2C was released on Tuesday. There's been some controversy about whether or not it has bed adhesion problems. I'm here to put your doubts to rest. I have got a bunch of different little things I wanted to show you. The first thing, if you have not watched my review, is the first print that I did right behind a benchy. This was a mask, a 2-day print. It was basically centered right on the bed, not a single issue. The supports, I even have video of me removing the supports of this, and they're completely adhered to the bed, so not a single issue. I did a live stream of this mask here where people were coming into my channel asking questions about bed adhesion problems. I showed them the supports of this mask. Not a single issue. One thing I didn't put in my review video was this mod that I printed right here, which is the AMS flipper mod. If you're not familiar with what this mod is, it connects to the back of the printer, holds on to the AMS, and allows you to lift it up. It takes parts that are just like this and spreads them across the entire bed. There's a whole bunch of other ones I got behind the camera, and it fills the entire bed. If there was issues with bed adhesion, then I would have major warping with these parts, and these parts came out perfect. So that's that for this mod. Last night I took a primitive cube, flattened it to a 1/2 millimeter, spread it across the entire bed, and I got this. A perfect sheet, uncalibrated PETG, generic profile, and just ran it dirty dog like this. Not a problem. Not a single problem. I don't know if he got a bad bed in his machine. I don't know. But if you're thinking that this machine has some kind of engineering problems with its bed, then you're wrong. I hope that you can take some of these claims with a grain of salt. I'm printing another sheet right now. I'll let it run, and I'll show you the results when it's done. All right, bed adhesion test number 2 is done. Let's go take a look. Now, does this look like a print that has bed adhesion problems? Yeah, there's some major bed adhesion problems going here. There's no bed adhesion problems. I hope this video was informative, gave you the story. H2C, no bed adhesion problems. Again, my name is Nick. I hope you're having a great day, and as always, happy printing.